Hello gentlemen, welcome to the Men's Improvement channel. In this video I will show you the 2-minute skincare routine for beginners, and in the first step you're going to apply some mildly hot water to your face to open up the pores. In step number 2, you're going to apply a face wash onto your face, but don't use too much. Use the amount that you feel is going to be enough to cover your whole face. And of course, be gentle. Any harsh cleansing can damage your skin. After that, I want you to remove the face wash with some mildly hot water to remove all the dead skin cells that you just managed to get off your skin. Afterwards, dry your face with a clean, fresh towel which you haven't used on your body before. The last and final step is going to be you applying a moisturizer onto your skin. A moisturizer is very important to balance the oil levels on your skin and to protect you from the sun's rays and from any dry skin. I'm going to say this again. Apply it gently onto your face, and remember, less is more. Use just enough to cover your whole face and neck. So this was the full 2-minute skincare routine. I hope you're going to use it into your everyday routine to look more handsome. And of course, have an amazing day gentlemen. Stay sexy.